I just wanted to show you real quick about how well this vise actually works. I mean, here I'm trying to saw some material. And you know, there's no, I mean, there's no moving that, you know. I mean, it's pinched in there good and tight, and it's versatile, you know. Like this piece that I've got here is probably about 4.5 or 5 inches wide, maybe, and at 4 3/4. And so, you know, I mean, I can put it on end to do dovetails. Whatever I need to do, I can do. I can put pieces that are, well, 4 feet long if I want, and I can also use it to do edge work. All I got to do is I just remove one of these bolts, which is basically all this is. I put it into another pre-drilled hole, put the handle back on, okay, take a piece of material, whatever I'm working on here, and tighten it down, grab my plane, and go to town. Doesn't matter, you know, whatever. So I can hold pieces in here. I've got the whole pattern set so that I can hold pieces that are about 8 inches wide, 12 inches wide, and 23 inches wide. And well, I take that back. It'd be about, well, close to 7 inches, 8 inches. And if I put a couple more holes in here, I could probably get pieces of material in here that are 24 inches long, you know. And you know, just a couple of handles, some 6-inch lag bolt, or not lag bolts, but carriage bolts, you know. I mean, it's nothing to make it. Took about an hour with the glue up time, you know. Just a handle and a bolt and a flat piece of material. This was actually going to be part of a cross-cut fence, and it ended up not being used for that, so I thought, well, I'll repurpose it, and that's what I did. So, you know, no big deal. I hope that you find it useful. Like I said, I needed it because I had to have a solution. I was just getting too upset, and you saw what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to rip some material off to make a thinner piece to work with, and yeah, I've got a planer and stuff, but I'm trying to learn how to do things with hand tools. But I needed a way to hold it, so this is what I came up with, and I don't know. If this idea works for you, have at it. It worked out for me, and it worked out really well, so that's all I'm going to say about that. So, see you next time.